Okay, it's der Sohn Florian kommt am Dienstag zum Trompetenunterricht. Trompet is, that's a musical instrument, trumpet. Trumpet, wait, let me tell you what is trumpet. English maybe had the word trumpet. Trumpet, sorry, we call it trumpet, this musical instrument. So he comes from the trumpet class. That's what it means. Yeah. So der Sohn Florian kommt am Dienstag zum Trompeter. It's Trompetenunterricht. Yeah. So he cannot comes, he goes to trumpet Unterricht. That's what it is. There's a preposition sum, not exactly sum, the preposition is su. So we'll be doing preposition in the, I think, 2 chapters after this. So then you will have this idea that how, when we go somewhere, then how do we write it down? Yeah, so it means Florian comes on Tuesday to the trumpet class. That is trumpet class. Okay, so Gelesen, have you read it? Shall I play the Huron?
Yeah.
Okay, so here that is 77. Please understand.
Musikschule Stadt Frankfurt. Guten Tag. Wir können Ihren Anruf leider nicht persönlich entgegennehmen, aber Sie können uns gern eine Nachricht hinterlassen.
Hier ist Mara Dobert, die Mutter von Florian und Lena. Meine Kinder können diese Woche leider nicht zum Musikunterricht kommen. Meine Tochter Lena ist krank. Sie kann auch nicht in die Schule gehen. Und mein Sohn Florian kann am Dienstag auch nicht zum Trompetenunterricht kommen. Er ist den ganzen Tag in der Schule. Die Klasse macht ein Projekt bis 18 Uhr. Tut mir leid. Können Sie bitte die Lehrer informieren? Danke.
Okay, noch einmal bitte. So this is one Huron only. You will not be listening to 4 Hurons. It is just one conversation and you have to mark all these sentences correct or wrong. So I'll play it again. This was a bit tough. So again.
Musikschule Stadt Frankfurt. Guten Tag. Wir können Ihren Anruf leider nicht persönlich entgegennehmen, aber Sie können uns gern eine Nachricht hinterlassen.
Hier ist Mara Dobert, die Mutter von Florian und Lena. Meine Kinder können diese Woche leider nicht zum Musikunterricht kommen. Meine Tochter Lena ist krank. Sie kann auch nicht in die Schule gehen. Und mein Sohn Florian kann am Dienstag auch nicht zum Trompetenunterricht kommen. Er ist den ganzen Tag in der Schule. Die Klasse macht ein Projekt bis 18 Uhr. Tut mir leid. Können Sie bitte die Lehrer informieren? Danke.
Okay, let's. So the first sentence says here, Mara Dobart, that is the mother of Lena and Florian, telefoniert mit der Musikschule. So she calls the music school. Richtig oder falsch? Who did she call to?
She called the concierge.
She called who?
The concierge.
Yeah, but like she was okay. Samriti and Sana, what do you think? Whom did she call?
Music school.
Someone in school.
And Sana, what do you think?
Sentence is correct.
The sentence is correct. Yeah, she was talking or she called in the music school to tell people about that why or about her son and daughter that are they coming or will they be attending the school this week or not. So let's see, the first sentence is correct. Then it comes the second sentence wherein it's written about her daughter. Die Tochter Lena ist am Montag bis 19 Uhr in der Schule. So what do you think? It's richtig or falsch? Richtig. Okay, Sana says richtig. But then Ashwin, okay, why it is falsch? What is wrong in the sentence?
The time is wrong.
Okay, time is wrong. Anything else? Samriti, Ashwin?
Penna is drunk.
Yeah, actually, the mother said that meine Tochter Lena ist krank. Krank. She is ill. That's why she cannot attend the school. She cannot attend the music school. Yeah. So this was not okay. Listen to it again. The sentence where she said.
Muss eine Nachricht hinterlassen.
Hier ist Mara Dobert, die Mutter von Florian und Lena. Meine Kinder können diese Woche leider nicht zum Musikunterricht kommen. Meine Tochter Lena ist krank. Sie kann auch nicht in die Schule gehen.
Meine Tochter Lena ist krank und sie kann auch nicht in der Schule gehen. So she said, my daughter is ill and she even cannot go to school. So that's why this sentence is wrong, because in the sentence it is written ki jo doctor hai, she would be there in the school on Monday till 7 o'clock. So this is a wrong statement, because she says that her daughter is ill and she cannot even go to she cannot even go to her school. That's why diesen Satz ist falsch. Okay, then the next sentence, it says, der Sohn Florian kommt am Dienstag zum Trompetenunterricht. So what do you think? Richtig oder falsch?
Richtig.
Richtig.
Ashwin,
Richtig.
let's see. Okay.
Und mein Sohn Florian kann am Dienstag auch nicht zum Trompetenunterricht kommen. Er ist den ganzen Tag in der Schule.
Did you hear the word nicht? When she said about her mein Sohn Florian, listen to it and try to figure out the word nicht. Have you heard it or not?
Sie kann auch nicht in die Schule gehen. Und mein Sohn Florian kann am Dienstag auch nicht zum Trompetenunterricht kommen.
Und mein Sohn Florian kann auch nicht zum Trompetenunterricht kommen. So kann auch nicht. This nicht thing is a negative word which says that my son also cannot come to the Trompetunterricht, and then she gave the reason that he has to be in the school till 7 o'clock. So the 7 o'clock sentence was for her son, and she informed the school that both her daughter and her son, they cannot come to music school, and gave two different reasons. Daughter was ill and her son was busy with the school. That's why he cannot come to Trompetunterricht. Yeah. अब next thing it's written Florian ist krank und bleibt zu Hause. तो ये sentence भी falsch है, क्योंकि she said कि you can listen here.
Er ist den ganzen Tag in der Schule. Die Klasse
ist den ganzen Tag in der Schule. He is den ganzen Tag, the whole day in der Schule. वो स्कूल में है, in the school. So this is what she says. तो इसका मतलब फ्लोरियान बीमार नहीं है. वो किसी और कारण से नहीं जा सकता ट्रम्पेट unterricht, क्योंकि उसको he has to be in the school. That's why it is. So it was a bit tough, but then I would just I know that the accent is what difficult to catch. If I tell the same thing, then it would be very easy for you to understand that what I'm trying to say, even though not the whole sentences, but you would get the thing that, okay, what is ma'am saying? But then German accent is very typical, and it takes time, you know. So I would just say that even if you are unable to do the Huron right now, not a big deal. I was just passed in A1, yeah, when I gave the examination. I was just passed. And the topper of my class, he failed in Huron. So that happens. That's not a big deal at all. But the only possible way to deal with Huron is to keep listening to whatever you can. Play any German song, play any German conversation, play any German news. Not to understand, but to catch up with their accent, how they're saying, hallo, wie geht's? Hallo, Mara Dobat here. Kann nicht in der Schule gehen. So the accent matters only.
You can
So
listen
yeah,
to
this
good
was the
German
thing.
songs.
Yeah, Ashwin?
You have some good German songs in their life.
Yeah. I skipped. I'll do suggest a few. one to which we all performed in the I would say it was a seminar. It was a German seminar. It was a seminar for for Germany's people on the day of their unification day. Unification day means when Germany got united with East Germany and West Germany. So 2nd October is their unification day. So on that on that day we had to perform a song for the Germans. So we did a song that is Wunderschönen Menschen or a Wunderkerzen Menschen. I'll send you the link. That's a very good song. Even I do have the recording. I'll send you that if possible.
Oh,
So
commercial song.
yeah, listen to it, and then it's a good song. So you can just listen to it. There are I am myself. I like to sing. I do sing, but then I have like there are many German songs I've heard, but then I couldn't connect to it. Yeah, there are many songs, but then you can connect it only when you are totally understanding that what the person is trying to convey. So when I used to listen to German songs that time, I was in B1 and A2, so it was very difficult for me to connect with the song. What exactly she's trying to convey. That's why I was never fond of German songs. But then after completing a particular level, now the songs are like कि समझ आती है. ऐसा भी नहीं है that I'm not a machine. It's not that I'm a teacher, so I know each and every vocabulary in German. It's not practically possible. So in song, they use a lot of other vocabularies, poetic words and everything. So yeah, right now even understanding German song is a bit difficult, but then you can understand easily well. Just a few things that remains difficult, but then it's good. So right now I do enjoy, but then when I was learning German, I didn't enjoy at all. But then I had to listen to it every day just to catch up with their pronunciation, that what they exactly are what they are saying. That's what important is. So I'll send you some German songs as well, and I'll also send you a series in German. It's a very good series. It's a series for the beginners. So when you have time, if you think you cannot study today, so just pick up the series. Just it's a 20-minute series. Even if you cannot sit for 20 minutes, take out 10 minutes time, see the series, and you will be it's a very funny series in German, specifically for the beginners. So you will enjoy. Yeah. So just do that. So here, apart from the Huron thing, the main thing which which is given here is the familian or a familian Mitglieder. That is the name of the family members. So we have Eltern. Eltern means parents. Eltern is parents in German. So we say der Vater, die Mutter. Der Vater, die Mutter. Vater is father, Mutter is mother. Then we have the Kinder. Kinder is the children. So who are the children here? And how do we call the children? Son and daughter?
Son is
Yes,
Zone
so
and daughter is Doctor.
Yeah, daughter is the Tochter, and son we say der Sohn, Sohn. Yeah, the pronunciation is like ozone layer, so that zone pronunciation is the for son, zone. Okay, now. So this is, and I'll send you another list wherein you have all the names of the family members written, sister, brother, then you have nephew, then niece, all I have written there. So just for the vocabulary thing,